Good morning and welcome to our virtual assembly to mark the 4-year anniversary of the Grenfell Tower tragedy. I know that everyone today in our school community, but also in the wider community and actually nationally and across the world, is taking time to remember the 72 people who tragically lost their lives. Our thoughts and prayers are with all of the survivors and bereaved families today. For us as a school, we will be thinking today about the 5 students we lost: Baruch Haftom, Ferdos Hashim, Miyana Shakir, Jessica Ramira Abano, and Yahya Hashim. Many people in KA right now, staff and students, remember them dearly. Our memorial garden on the 3rd floor art terrace is a space our staff and students can go to remember them. Actually, lots of you, even if you did not personally know those 5 students, will know people who have been directly affected by the fire. At the end of this assembly, we will observe a 72-second silence to remember all of the victims of the Grenfell fire.
Today in school, there are events to mark the anniversary. Lots of you will be wearing green to remember the victims of the fire and show solidarity with those who are still dealing with the effects of the fire. It is a great way to show that you want justice and you want the inquiry to be a positive thing. Even if you are wearing green, you might want to wear a ribbon like this to show your solidarity. At lunchtime, students will be circulating to give out green ribbons to any students who would like to wear one. At the end of the day, some of you will be coming to an anniversary service and would know that privately today our community will be marking the anniversary in other ways.
In the wider community today, there will be events to remember the victims of the tragedy. Families affected by the fire will be visiting the Grenfell site to remember those that they lost throughout the day. Please be respectful of this when leaving the school and during lunch and break time out on the playground. Local buildings will be illuminated green for Grenfell in the evening, and churches in the community will ring their bells 72 times at 7 p.m.
Today may be difficult for some of our school community. Let's support each other today as we have done for the past 4 years. If you'd like to speak to a therapist or counsellor, you can visit Place to Be in room 8 on the ground floor. They are offering drop-in sessions and support today during break, tutor time and lunchtime for any students who would like to talk to a counsellor.
We always feel sad about what happened, and we will never forget. But 4 years on, we can see the recovery happening in the community. In many ways, the culture of this community and the way that the staff and the students have supported each other has made us stronger. And this is what will help us today and support us in the future. I'd like you now to join me for a 72-second silence in memory of those that we lost.